this video, I want to show you how to delete a subdomain in Hostinger. So let's say you created a subdomain and you don't need it anymore. How do you do that? I'm going to come to my premium hosting, select the domain name I want to use. And so let's see, I'll come down to subdomains. Under domains, you see subdomains. Let's say I don't need this one anymore. I used it to create a tutorial video. Let's say I don't need it anymore. You see this button here. I simply click on that and click on delete. And it may take a few seconds. But you see, it tells me subdomain deleted successfully. So that is how to delete a subdomain. If you want to create a new subdomain, simply come and say, I can just say yes. And I click on create. And it's creating. You can now see yes. And we can go ahead and install WordPress on it.